is a task to take care of your skin on normal days. In winter, it becomes even more difficult. It is nearly impossible to have soft and smooth skin in winters. The cold and harsh weather rips off all the moisture from the skin and makes it dry, tight and flaky. Today's video will discuss 5 effective home remedies for happy skin. Dry skin, also known as xerosis, is a skin condition that lacks moisture. The skin in this condition is very irritable and if left untreated can cause infection. So, it is crucial to take care of your skin in the cold months, and for that, you do not have to rush to a dermatologist all the time. Here are some tried and tested home remedies to make your skin look happy and smooth. 1. Coconut oil. Coconut oil has several health benefits. This oil has emollient properties and works well for dry skin. Emollients hydrate the skin and make it smooth by filling up the gap between the skin cells. You can apply a few drops of coconut oil before going to bed at night for soft skin. 2. Petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly is also known as mineral oil, and it has been used on the skin for many years. It forms a protective layer on the skin and traps the moisture underneath. It is very helpful to heal dry and patchy skin. 3. Oatmeal baths. Add some oatmeal powder to your bath, or you can also try creams that contain oatmeal to get some relief from dry and itchy skin. As per a study, oatmeal has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which is very good for dry skin. 4. Sunflower seed oil. Sunflower seed oil is another natural oil that helps the skin to retain its moisture. Sunflower seed is rich in vitamin E that traps moisture inside the skin cells and keeps it hydrated for a long time. The oil also prevents several diseases such as asthma, arthritis, and triggers the cell renewal process as well. 5. Honey. Honey is an ideal choice to treat dry skin. It has numerous vitamins, antioxidants and has antimicrobial and antibacterial properties, and can be applied on the skin directly. You can apply it as a face mask and rinse with lukewarm water. Honey can also be used with oatmeal to treat skin dryness. Tips. While these home remedies are good on dry and itchy skin, but here are a few things that you can do to protect your skin from drying out. Apply good moisturizer daily on your skin. Avoid using harsh chemicals on your skin. Keep yourself hydrated. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.